We in India, we have everything. The basic motto of making this video is make in India, grow in India, produce in India, buy in India, spend in India. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about made in India, made in India. Ek dil chahiye that's made in India. Yes, it's all going to be about Indian products. We are talking only about Indian products. I'm going to be telling you how I replaced my complete essentials to Indian products. It's made in India, it's cruelty free, it's vegan. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my video updates. So before much bucking, let's get started. So the first product which I'm going to show you today is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Aloe Vera Instant Hand Sanitizer. Yes, Biotic launched this product recently. It's 80% alcohol, rinse-free protection on the go. Look at that packaging. Oh my god, it looks so sophisticated. Oops. Okay, looking at the packaging, I really felt like buying it. It's a huge amount for the amount we are paying. It retails for 100 rupees and it's huge. Can you compare it with my face? Well, considering that my face is already long and broad. Yes, it's huge. This is 200 ml of a product and it is for 100 rupees. What else can we expect from a hand sanitizer? It smells good, antibacterial, removes all the bacteria, and yes, that's about it. So the next product I'm going to be talking about sounds silly, but yes, I have to introduce you to this product. It is KP Namudari's natural salt, rock salt Indupu. It's a toothpaste. Yes, how can we stay without a toothpaste? It's a damn essential product. Yes, so it's basically a Kerala Ayurvedic product. So this green marks indicates it's a completely herbal product. So it's an amazing product. I have been using this toothpaste since almost 3 years. Yes, before Modi ji spoke about Atmanirbhar Bharat, I was really conscious about buying Indian products. As far as I could, I used to buy Indian products. So I was using this since 3 years. Even before that, I was using Dabur toothpaste. It's almost been 8 to 10 years since I shifted from Western toothpaste brands to Indian toothpaste brands. So that's about it. Next, I'm going to quickly show you my another product. It's a soap. It's from Green Caro, the House of Quality handmade herbal soap. I have been using this soap since almost 8 to 10 months. What attracted me is this very basic packaging. Like everybody, I love good packaging. My heart says go for good packaging. My heart loves good packaging, but my brain says stay with basic. It is good for you, good for environment, both. So yes, that's about. It's so basic. The packaging is so basic. No plastic. It's a butter paper inside. No plastics at all. Soap looks so basic, but ask me about the quality. Everything smells so synthetic after using this. After using this, I never felt like buying any other soap. It just feels so heavenly, so earthy, so the first rain. Once you start using this, you feel that feel comes within you. Modala malayante ಎದೆಗೆ ಇಳಿದ ಮೆಲ್ಲಗೆ. It's not a product, I'm telling you. It's an emotion for me. It's not a thing. It's an emotion for me. After bath, the whole bathroom smells like the first rain. Who doesn't like rain? Who doesn't like rain smell? It absolutely smells like rain smell, rain fragrance, which I crave for it. Even till the last bit, the fragrance remains. That's the best part about this, and it retails for only 45 rupees. I don't know if it is available in any other supermarkets. Here we have, this is again a Kerala product. It is made in Kasargod. Guys, I don't know whoever has made this product, but kudos to you. I don't know whether you will be able to watch this video. This is a amazing product. This is tulsi. This is tulsi. This is red sandal soap. I have the kashayam soap. I have the green gram soap. I bought every variant possible. It is such an, I'm definitely not exaggerating, but it smells like that. Oh god, somebody please stop me from doing this. Quickly, I'm going to move on to my next product. It's Biotic Biobasil and Parsley. I was using Palmolive body wash before this. It's a body wash, by the way. I was using Palmolive body wash before this. It used to smell amazing. I love things which smells good. I love to smell good, so I love things which smells good. So this has a very mild fragrance, but the fragrance doesn't last for a long time, but it's fine for me. Sometimes I won't be, my skin feels so dry that I won't be in a mood to use the soap, so this never lets your skin go dry. So leaving the fragrance aspect, it doesn't smell bad, it smells definitely good, but the fragrance doesn't last for a long time. That is the other side of it, but it is a good product. Skin feels moisturized, it doesn't leave your skin dry. It is Biotic, again, is an Indian product. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, it's everything we want. The next product which caught my attention is this Swati Khadi Ayurvedic hair cleanser. It is a basic shampoo. I don't know the reason, but I can feel many of the products price range has changed so much. I bought Khadi around 6 months back from Amazon, and it 4 shampoo bottles for 250 rupees on an offer, but this single product retails for 240 rupees. Since it's Khadi and I want to build that Atmanirbhar Bharat, I bought it. Khadi has the basic shampoo. Don't expect too much from it. It is a basic shampoo. That's it. The formula is completely basic. It's a regular Ayurvedic hair cleanser. It does not harm your hair, nor does anything good to your hair. I just needed a hair cleanser and I bought it. So I can talk about this only after using it for another 1 or 2 months. After I finish this bottle, I'll give a proper mini or complete review. So that's about Khadi. So the packaging looks quite luxurious compared to the product which I bought 6 months back. It is a new version of Khadi. It says it's Swati Khadi Ayurvedic hair cleanser. Again it is manufactured by Swati Gramodyog Seva Sansthan. Again, it's made in India, it's cruelty free, it's vegan. Another major product which I replaced is the conditioner. I'm a huge fan of conditioner. I love to use conditioner. I was a very loyal customer for Dove, by the way. I'm using from my college days. I have been using Dove or Garnier. So I now gave a shift to Biotic hair conditioner. I use this as a mask also. Again, once I finish the bottle, then I can give a complete opinion. I can form an opinion about any product. So right now, yes, I can only show you the products. Biotic has some amazing range in the supermarkets. You can just try it down. Another product. So this is my regular buy. This is plum, grape seed, and sea buckthorn glow restore face oils blend. So this was my another buy from Plum. Plum is again Indian brand. It smells great, it smells amazing. It's a facial oil. It's for anti-aging. It has anti-aging properties. Grape seeds has anti-aging properties. Feels good, nourishes the skin. Yes, it's everything. Again, Plum is Indian, it's made in India, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, it's everything you want. They have an amazing wide range of products which you can buy. They have they have masks, they have shampoos, they have day creams, they have night creams, they have skincare, they have hair care. They have everything. It's so amazing that during this pandemic, Indian brands are making use of this situation and coming up with hand sanitizers, PPE kits, whatever it is. Please do support Indian products, guys. Please be conscious in buying. When you're buying something, please make sure you're buying Indian products, because when we are grown up here, we are earning here, we should spend it here. And Indian brands, we would love to try your products, we would love to buy your products. We just need that. Please make sure that your quality is good and we are ready to buy it. So that's about today's video, guys. I don't know whether it is going to make any difference to the economy or whatever if one person buys, but if everyone gets conscious about what they buy, definitely we can build that Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let's start with the baby steps. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, and then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yes, see you in my next video. Until then, love you all. Bye bye.